Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some clip-ins that I received from a company called Power Hair Collections. What I love so much about this company is that, number one, they are Black owned. Can I get an applause for the fact that this company is Black owned, and that in itself just speak volumes. On top of that, she, the owner of Power Hair Collections, is an HBCU graduate. Yes, from my historically Black college and university sisters. As y'all know, I graduated from FAMU, so the fact that she graduated from an HBCU, it just tops the cake, okay? So the hair that I have in is two of the clip-ins. The clip-ins come, I have in two sets of the clip-ins. I have their Kinky curly clip-ins in the inches of 16, 14, 16, and an 18. I did receive an 18 inch as well, but as you can see, it is pretty full, so I don't even think I really needed the 18 inch. So I used two sets of clip-ins. In each clip-in, it comes with a 7-piece set. So there is 14 pieces in my head. I want to say that there's like 12 pieces in my head because there is two clips that I cut off that I did not use. So it's about 14 pieces in my head that I have for this look. There's so many different ways that you can achieve clip-ins with this hair. I decided to blend it in with my natural hair, as you all know. And if you don't know and you're new to my channel, I am experiencing a little bit of heat damage, but that did not stop me from putting these clip-ins in my head and styling them. And as you can see, the turnout is so gorgeous and so natural looking. I absolutely am in love with this hair. What I did was, when I received this hair, I went ahead and I co-washed it. Now, when you co-wash, the only thing you really have to use is conditioner. You don't need any shampoo. There's no reason for you to use shampoo. I'm going to be inserting some clips in so you can see what the hair looks like when I first got it out of the pack, and then what the hair looked like after I co-washed it. When I co-washed it, first I ran it through cold water. So I just ran it through cold water, and I just used my fingers to finger detangle it. After I finger detangled it, I went ahead and I used the Aussie Moist conditioner. You can find this at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, pretty much anywhere. Absolutely love this conditioner for my natural hair as well as my extensions. So this is my go-to. Anytime I see it in a 2-pack, I grab about 2 of them. So I never really like to run out of this conditioner because that's just how much I love it. So I went ahead and I saturated the hair with conditioner. Now, some people will stop there and they will continue to finger detangle the hair, but what I did was I grabbed my dimming brush. This dimming brush can be found, I got mine from Amazon. I believe you can find it at your local beauty supply store, not sure. So I went ahead and I used my dimming brush to rake through the hair. Y'all, the curl pattern, I don't want to say the curl pattern changed, but the curls instantly popped. Like, it did not look anything like how it did coming out of the pack, which is a good thing. You don't want to use the curl pattern when the hair comes in straight out of the pack because it's been in the pack. You want to go ahead and get the curls uniform and get them to pop, and that's exactly what I was able to do. Absolutely in love with the results of the curl. Inserting clips in, showing you how I put these clip-ins inside of my head is really nothing to it, you guys. All you have to do is part a section of your hair. I didn't use a comb, I used my fingers. Part a section of your hair, open the clips of the actual clip-in, stick it inside of your hair and clip it on. It's really just that simple. The hair isn't going anywhere. It is very secure. As long as I have hair on my head for it to stick to, they're gonna stick. That's just one method that you can do it. If you want to braid your hair down, you can braid your hair down and stick the clip-ins on your braid. Open the clips, stick the clips in, close the clips. If you want to put your hair in a ponytail, you could put all of your real hair in a ponytail, push it all the way back, clip the hair on your real hair, and close it, and you will be good to go. There's so many different ways that you can do clip-ins. You can see it gets shorter in the back and then it gets longer in the front. That is my trick when I put in curly hair extensions, when I want it to be natural. I put the 14 inch in the back for a shorter look in the back, and then I put the 16 inch on the top because, as you can see, the way that it falls and the shape that it gives me. Had I would have put the 16 in the top, it would have been long, and then it would have gave me a layered effect. So it probably would have stopped like right here, and then the 16 would have been all the way down here. So that was the reason why I do it like that. I absolutely love it like this because it gives you that shape and that volume without you having to cut the hair, without you having to add anything else to the hair, without you having to pick the hair. I didn't even pick the hair at all. It literally just fell the way that it fell, and I absolutely love it. So that's a trick that you can do with any lengths. Just put the shortest length in the back and then the longest length at the top, and then it will give you this shape, as you can see. The products that I did use is I use for my natural hair in between the clip-ins, I use a leave-in conditioner by Shampoo. It's a repair leave-in conditioner because, like I just said, I am experiencing heat damage, so I wanted to make sure that I took care of my natural hair with a leave-in conditioner that is going to help restore my hair while it's in this protective style. After that, I use styling cream. I use Shampoo Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I did put a little bit on that as well as the clip-ins as well. And then to top it off, I use a bunch of Eco Styler gel. Now, I say I used a bunch of Eco Styler gel because for me, I like for my curls to be more defined. This hair does get big in an afro big if you decide to pick it out and you don't put a lot of products on it for it to weigh down. So you can do that as well. I wanted to define my curls, so I made sure that I used a lot of Eco Styler gel. And that's pretty much it. And then for my leave out, I went ahead and I did a flat twist. I flat twisted down, made sure it was dry before I took it out. I took it out and this is the look that I received. I do sleep in my clip-ins. I have a silk scarf that I'm going to be using. To me, as long as you have a silk scarf and a silk pillowcase, I think it will be perfectly fine. You can also put a bonnet on. Any issues because I slept in clip-ins before. That's just the way I like to do it because I know that I'm going to keep this style in for a week or two. So to me, taking them out and putting them back in, it just doesn't make any sense to do that when you could just keep them in and treat them like your natural hair. The clips they're not going anywhere. As you can see, as long as you unclip them first, clip them open, put them inside of your hair, like put them on the part of your hair, clip them closed, and go all the way around until you're done, you really don't have any issues. But what I love so much about it is that it mimics I believe this mimics a 3C4A. I'm going to put it in the description box if I am wrong, but I believe that this is what this curl pattern mimics. So I have a couple more styles that I want to show you using this hair, and I'm definitely going to be back with more videos, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to put all of that information down in the description box. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should do that because that's when I'm going to be posting all my popping pictures from this hair. I'm probably going to be fooling people because they're going to think it's my natural hair, but it's really not. But anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.